how to send voice notes on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to send voice notes on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, just tap on the inbox icon shown in the bottom right side of the screen. And now here, once you are inside the DM section, what you can do is simply open the conversation with the person that you want to send the voice note to. And now here, once you are inside the message box, you will see a microphone icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. So here you can just tap and hold on the microphone to start. And here, while holding the button, and that's it. That's how you can send voice notes on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.